Hello folks, only me, terrible guitar player with the NF3. I did a little video on one of these a while back when I had it last time, but I'm really impressed since I've had it back. Randomly, and not a big thing, can't really tell here, the pick guard has scratched up really badly, really quickly. I guess that's what it's there for, isn't it? But yeah. But yeah, I just thought I would, bit out of tune of course, that's how I roll. Just show you just a few tones of it really, for those who are thinking, is it Strat enough for you? Would you like got a bit of bass. I like a bit of bass on my amplifier. Neck and middle, which is what, position 2 or 4, depending on how I look at it. The middle. That's never really that bothered by middle position, but I quite like it now. Neck and the bridge. Bridge. Bearing drive, drive to down. The neck. There's a guy, Guitar Interactive, I think it is. He did a well-edited video with this and a Silver Sky together, and it's not exactly the same as Strat. It's rounder, slightly fuller, but they give you the right kind of tones, you know, the sort of nice sort of creamyish tone on the neck. And that Stratty tone on the neck and bridge. Quite spanky and raw on the middle. And spanky there, and then the but yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I've this love-hate with Strats. You know, I like the idea of them, and then when I have them, there are lots of positions I'm not keen on. The neck and In fact, the in-between positions have really grown on me a lot. It's mainly the bridge I've never been crazy about. But, dog going mad. Yeah, let me know what you think.